Hi Fox, today I'm just showing you the Higen water hose. This really comes in a good packing like a bag so that you can carry it easily. It's a 100 feet hose and you can see that it is a waterproof bag that you can put your hose inside and you can transport or take it with you very easily. This here, like, I'm just taking it out. Here is the manual and then some accessory parts that you can use if there's any issue with this. And then this manual is in English, very easy to understand, and it shows like how you should use it, how you should stop, like what precaution you should take with this hose. It's pretty clean and pretty understandable manual. But the hose itself is like easy to use. Many people have used it already, so there is no issue, like no complicated stuff. And if you see the material, this is a brass connector that goes with the hose, and you can see like the quality itself, it's really nice. And there is a washer that holds the water, and then this will fit in the hose. So you can see this is a flexible hose cable that it's easy to bend and do your work if there is any little tight spot. And the hose itself, like the length, it's all flexible, so you can see that it can stretch, and it will not tear like a solid rubber or sort of plastic sort of hose. It is a flexible cable. Now based on the length, like I can show you in my garden outside, but here the other part, there is show like the hose water thing. There is a knob for open and close of the flow, and this can easily come out. So if you want to use any other things with it, you can use it with this hose. So the same brass quality, and then you can see like the connector are of like good quality. Here you can also see that there is a connector down. There is also like flexible, and then the flexible cable. So it's 3x4, and let's put this fountain back. And you can also adjust this to the different like variety of the stuff, like the flat or the shower or the cone or the jet. There are like multiple things that you can adjust on this water fountain. This is the handle that you will use, and you can adjust this as well from the back. So I'm just putting it back. And we can just try it outside. Now you can see that I'm just putting it in my hose, and it's very one shot connection, and no issue with the connection itself. And here is the water. I'm just trying to put it. I just keep it on the open level, and here like I start showering it. So in the initial, like, it will come like a little bit thing, and then it start perfectly fine. I just make a speed little bit faster because just to show you the main like the effect. And you can see it here that I'm just changing it to the different levels, and then different type of water fountains is coming from it. So I'm just setting it to the cone, and you can see that how it is going to the downward direction.